So how about this one? A South Carolina inmate is suing the state because he can't smoke pot in prison. We want to know how you feel about this. Go to 9news.com/vote now or use the 9 News app and let us know your reaction to it. So James Rose is serving life in prison for murder. He's suing the Department of Corrections there, saying they are violating his constitutional rights. He says he is a Rastafarian and should be able to smoke marijuana as part of his religion. He wants $1 million in damages and to be accommodated with marijuana.
I'm so glad you read the part about the religion, because I was thinking constitutionally, where is he on
I was in
this
the
one?
I was in the same spot too, because I thought, okay, like it's federally illegal, so how do you make a constitutional argument about it? But yeah.
So I don't know, Rastafarian, I didn't know that was a religion.
It is.
Okay.
But I mean, I think you don't really have a solid argument if it's something that's already illegal under federal law.
Under federal law and under state law where he is.
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting.
I don't know. I just kind of feel like, hey, man, like you murdered somebody, you gave up some of your rights.
Yeah.
And that's the one thing that you like. But as far as the argument goes as to whether it's, you know, I don't know. I just feel like, sorry, dude.
Well, you also got to think about what happens if you allow that in a prison.
Yeah.
It's a controlled environment where there are a lot of other people there. It's a security risk, maybe, if he can do it.
And then you open the door for that's a Schedule I drug federally. Then any Schedule I drug you can take?
If it is part of your religion?
Questions.
Yeah. People overwhelmingly saying no with an exclamation point.
By the way, I would like to apologize for not knowing that Rastafarianism was a religion, just to avoid the comments on Twitter. I'm just going to say, if you send me links
think of like a Bob
to learn
Marley
about
song.
it.
I feel like it is my religion.
Yes.
But
We'll be right back.
the Bob Marley, 3 Little Birds.